So this is our first sheet, which is of EVS. Okay, and what we have to do in this sheet, we have to answer a few questions in this. Okay, we have to answer a few questions. The first question is, what is a festival? Festival means त्योहार. त्योहार क्या है? Festival is a day which we celebrate with each other with extreme happiness. त्योहार क्या है? एक ऐसा ही दिन है ना जिसे हम एक दूसरे के साथ हंसी खुशी सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. A festival is a day which we celebrate with each other with extreme happiness. Name any two national festivals. National festivals. कौन से दो national festival हैं? Independence Day and Republic Day are the two national festivals. Name any two religious festivals. Any two religious festivals. You can write any two. Holi, Diwali, Dussehra, Christmas. Okay, any two. Which is your favorite festival? Now the last question is based on your thinking. जो आखिरी क्वेश्चन है वो आपके थिंकिंग पे है कि आपको कौन सा फेस्टिवल पसंद है. Okay, so you will write which festival is your favorite. Understood? In the first, you have to tell about what is festival. Festival क्या होते हैं? Festival is a day which we celebrate with each other with extreme happiness. Second, any two national festivals, Independence Day and Republic Day are any two festivals. Okay. Now, any two religious festival, Holi, Diwali. Okay, you can write Holi and Diwali, Christmas also, Dussehra, which you want you can write. And in the last, your favorite festival. Okay, now let's take a look at the English sheet. It is based on conjunction. Okay, conjunctions. What are conjunctions? Conjunctions are the joining words. Conjunctions are joining words which is used to join two words or a sentence. Okay, क्या करता है conjunction? दो words को या sentences को जोड़ने का काम करता है. Okay, that is called conjunctions. So what we have to do in this question, fill in the blanks with correct conjunction. Correct conjunction से blank को fill करना है. Would you like to have cola or tea? Would you like to have cola or tea? Like we ask, जैसे कोई आता है घर में तो हम उनसे पूछते हैं आप ठंडा या गरम क्या पसंद करेंगे. तो उसी तरीके से यहाँ पे दो ऑप्शन दिए. कोला मीन्स कोका कोला मीन्स इट इज कोल्ड ड्रिंक एंड टी इट इज हॉट ड्रिंक. So we have, would you like to have cola or means we are giving option. हम option दे रहे हैं. कोला या फिर टी. or. I was absent because I was sick. मैं absent था क्योंकि मैं बीमार था. I was sick because यहाँ पे reason दे रहे हैं. मैं absent था लेकिन मैं reason बता रहा हूँ कि मैं absent क्यों था. Because I was sick. BECAUSE. Because I went to the fair with blue and clue. Fair means मेला. मैं मेला गया किसके साथ? ब्लू और क्लू के साथ. With blue and clue. Okay. I think the bananas are with monkey. He loves to keep them. Because he loves to keep them. मुझे लगता है कि बनानास मंकी के पास होंगे क्योंकि वो उसे पसंद है रखना. उसे पसंद है. मंकी यूज टू ईट बनानास ना. मंकी बनाना खाता है ना. सो दैट यहाँ पे भी रीजन दिया है कि मुझे लगता है कि बनानास किसके पास है? मंकी के पास है. क्यों? क्योंकि उसे बनानास रखना पसंद है. Because he loves to keep them. I wanted to come, but my parents didn't allow. But B-U-T, but. मैं आना चाहता था लेकिन मेरे पेरेंट्स ने अलाउ नहीं किया. ओके. On her birthday, I gifted her a teddy and a bouquet. उसके बर्थडे पे मैंने उसे टेडी और बुके गिफ्ट किया. टेडी and and a bouquet. She is at home or school. वो घर पे है या स्कूल में. और home और school. or. I came late because there was a lot of traffic. मैं देर से आया क्योंकि वहां बहुत ट्रैफिक था. Because there was a lot of traffic. BECAUSE. Because there was a lot of traffic. Understood, kids? So this was totally based on conjunctions. Okay. Now let's take a look at the last sheet, which is of maths. Look at the given word carefully and answer the questions. See, what is this word given? Holiday. Holiday means chutti. Holiday. In the given word, letter H. Letter H कौन से place पे है? It is at first place. FIRST. 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 L कौन से place पे है? L third place पे है. Third. 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 L is at third place. I कौन से place पे है? Fourth. 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 I is at fourth place. Y कौन से place पे है? Seventh. 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 Y is at seventh place. D कौन से place पे है? D is at fifth place. FIFTH. Fifth. D is at fifth place. A कौन से place पे है? A is at sixth place. SIXTH. Sixth. A is at sixth place. O is at second place. SECOND. 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 O is at second place. Okay. So what we have to do? In this we have to write the ordinal numbers, first, second, third, like this. Okay. Now in the second we have to write the cardinal and ordinal value of the following numbers. Okay. What are the cardinal value? 10, 50, 100. Okay. 10, 50 and 100. Normal it's number name. TEN 10, FIFTY 50, HUNDRED 100. And what are the ordinal values? 200th. Okay, you will write 200th. HUNDREDTHS. 200ths. Okay. 500ths. 1000ths. THOUSANDTHS. Understood? How will you write? HUNDREDTHS. Hundreds. THOUSANDTHS. Thousandths. Okay. 200th, 500th, 1000th. Okay. Like this. Understood how we will solve all these three sheets? First, EVS, which was based on festivals. Okay, festivals पे based है. Festival क्या होते हैं? Festival is a day which we celebrate with each other. एक दूसरे के साथ celebrate करते हैं, अपने family के साथ, friends, family, relatives के साथ celebrate करते हैं. with extreme happiness. बहुत सारी खुशियों के साथ ना. Any two national festivals? Independence Day and Republic Day. Okay, these are two national festivals. Religious, Holi and Diwali are two religious festivals. Favorite festival? You will write it by yourself. Conjunctions. Conjunctions are joining words which are used to join two words or sentence. For example, and, or, but, because. Okay. And maths. It was based on cardinal and ordinal values. Understood? Everyone, if you have any kind of doubt related to any topic, you can message me in the chat box. Okay.